my quick tip of the day is, can you be successful without using the products? The short answer, yes. The long answer, it depends. Now, I have not done every Beachbody program there is. I have done just about all of them, but only because I've been a coach for so long. So if you haven't done a program, there are so many stories out there that you can utilize to share with other people, that you can connect other people with that have a very similar story. So your goal is to collect stories of programs. Now, Shakeology, can you be successful without using it? Only if you legitimately have an allergy, but you truly believe in the product. If you do not believe in the product, then it's going to be a very hard job for you to connect the tools that we know to be successful. Yes, we've got great products, but in combination, Shakeology in combination with a workout, those are the tools that we know work together. So yes, you can, but it's going to be a lot harder if you do not believe in the value of Shakeology. And that's just being honest. So I hope that helps.